Hello student, today we are going to study the new topic of the same chapter, that is changes around us, part 3rd, where we will study irreversible changes. What do you mean by irreversible changes and examples of irreversible changes? So firstly, I just want to explain irreversible changes are those changes which cannot be converted back into the original form. That is called irreversible change. You cannot convert back. आप उसको convert नहीं कर पाओगे. That is called irreversible change. So a change which cannot be reversed to form the original substance is called an irreversible change. The examples: the burning of paper, burning of fuel like wood, coal and LPG. How? Because once you burn the paper, you will not convert back into the original form, that is called paper. So this is example of irreversible change. Again, I am saying burning of fuel like wood. If once you burn the wood, it's just converted into an ash form, which is not converted back into the original wood, coal or LPG. So this is an example of irreversible change. Formation of milk from curd, यानी कि if you once milk converted into the curd will not convert back into the milk form. So this is example of irreversible change. Cooking of food is also an example of irreversible change. Rusting of iron is also an example of irreversible change. Grinding of wheat grains into a flour, मतलब आप wheat को पीस देते हैं और उसके बाद it converted into the flour, and that flour will not converted back into the wheat grains. This is example of irreversible change. The breaking of a toy is an example of irreversible change. The making of painting on a drawing sheet is also an example of irreversible change. The setting of plaster of Paris on mixing water is an example of irreversible change. Once the plaster of Paris अगर आपका वो बन गया and it's used in your like fractures area में आप use कर सकते हो, it will not converted back into the powder form, that is gypsum. So this is also example of irreversible change. Let's see some examples. Omelette का जो formation होता है, that is also example of irreversible change. Once egg is formed omelette, it will not convert back into the egg. Again, burning of paper is also example of irreversible change. Setting of plaster of Paris on mixing with water is also an example of irreversible change. So thank you for today. We will discuss the next topic in our next class. Thank you.